What should I do if I have recently moved and need to update my postal address?
Hello there. If you've recently moved and need to update your postal address, then you've come to the right place. We'll be walking through the necessary steps to ensure your mail gets to your new address. Getting this done is key to avoiding any mail mix-ups or missed important communications. So, let's dive in.
Why do I need to update my postal address?
First off, it's crucial to update your postal address when you move because it ensures you continue receiving mail, including bills, letters, packages, and important notices. If your address isn't updated, your mail may end up at your old residence, causing delays or potential loss of important mail.
How can I update my postal address?
The most efficient way to update your postal address is through your country's postal service. In the United States, this would be the United States Postal Service, USPS. In the United Kingdom, it would be Royal Mail. In Canada, it's Canada Post, and so on. Most postal services offer an online option to change your address. Follow the prompts provided by your postal service to update your address. Remember to do this in advance of your move to avoid any lapse in mail delivery.
What other steps should I take?
After updating your postal address with the Postal Service, also remember to inform key parties about your move. These include your bank, insurance providers, utility companies, subscription services, and any other organizations you regularly receive mail from. Notifying them directly ensures they have your updated address on file and continue sending their communications to the right place.
Do I need to do anything else?
Yes, there's one more step. If you can, visit your old address and inform the new residents about your move. Ask them kindly to forward any mail of yours that might end up there. While this isn't a foolproof plan, it can catch any stray pieces of mail that may still be directed to your old address. Updating your postal address after a move is a simple but essential task. It ensures you don't miss out on any important mail. Remember to inform your postal service and all relevant parties of your new address, and you're good to go. Here's to a seamless transition to your new home. Thanks for watching.